This tiny kitten just committed the biggest crime in the house. She officially stole her giant golden retriever brother's favorite bed. Even though she's barely the size of his paw, she's acting like she owns the place, leaving the poor guy completely homeless. He didn't know whether to be confused or offended. He even tried a few gentle nudges and a playful stretch to reclaim his territory, but this brave little kitten wasn't moving an inch. It's a hilarious standoff between a tiny thief and the most polite giant you'll ever meet.